Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Toptal payouts, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing your Toptal payouts, first, log in to your Toptal account. Navigate to the Payouts tab on your dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your earnings and available balance. Next, select the Withdraw option. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. You may choose between methods such as bank transfer, PayPal, or other payment systems. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available balance. Carefully review the transaction details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking the Confirm button. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication process. Complete the verification to proceed with the withdrawal. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification regarding your transaction status. If you experience any issues, contact Toptal support for assistance. Keep an eye on your chosen payment method for the arrival of your funds. Withdrawal processing times may vary based on the method selected. Review Toptal's policies for any potential fees associated with your withdrawal. After the process is complete, update your records to reflect your recent transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.